Okay, in this video, I'm going to be going over two things that I always do to maintain my watches. So I'm just gonna jump straight in. So number one is to use something called leather conditioner. So I have a watch right here, right? So this isn't something that you can actually just buy. It is actually something that I built, right? As you can see, there's like black leather, but before it was very like crumbly, very dry. And sometimes if you are like, let's say building your own watch or your own watch that you just bought has like very dry leather to it, you might think to yourself, okay, it's kind of screwed, I should just get a new strap. You can use this thing, it's called conditioner. Now, this is the one that I use. I'm not sponsored or anything, but it's like leather honey. This is what it's called, okay? And you only need very little of it. What it does is that it basically restores its color and it protects it from like salt and all that. Basically, it's a lot like leather shoes. Okay, if you've ever had leather shoes before and you've gone out in like bad weather, you might realize like after you get back inside and it's like dried up and all that, it gets super like stained. Like you can see salt stains on it. It looks really bad and you don't even want to use it. If you use polish, it kind of stops using that. It kind of stops doing that. But instead, this is conditioner. You don't use polish on leather watch straps, but you want to use conditioner instead, okay? And it also helps it become more water repellent and it just maintains it, okay? So it's very easy to apply it as well. All you need is, of course, your watch strap, some conditioner, any will do, but this is the one that I use. It's a bit pricey though. And a microfiber cloth, you know, like one of these, the types of cloths that you would use to kind of clean your glasses. So they're super like grippy, I guess. You apply a little bit and then you just rub it onto the actual leather, okay, for all of it. You don't need to do the back, okay? It's just the front of it. That's the part that's going to be facing towards the elements and everything, okay? And the part that's going to be damaged. So you want to rub it on and then that should be it, okay? Preferably, what you want to do, you want to actually apply it basically for overnight, so then your leather can actually absorb all of the conditioner, and then after that you can wipe it off, okay? That's probably one of the best ways that you can actually maintain and take care of your watch, is actually to take care of the leather. The second thing is actually something very simple, especially if you don't have a way to really store it, okay? What you want to do with your watch, the number two thing you should do is to just keep it away from sunlight. That sounds very simple to do, right? But if you have something that's quite expensive, okay, you want to take care of it. Put it away somewhere, maybe dark if you can. Not too cold, you're not putting it in your fridge, but like, you know what I mean. Don't keep it in direct sunlight. Think about it like a plant, okay? So indirect sunlight, that's fine. No, indirect, not direct. Does that make sense? Okay. Those are very simple things that you can do to actually maintain your watch so it stays looking good. And before I did speak about me making my own watch, right? Now, you might have seen like a trend of making watches and all that. I thought those videos were quite good. However, they missed out a few things. If you want, I actually created a template where I basically combined the videos that I used and also like all the parts, that because I found that some videos didn't include all the parts that I needed, and I found myself just having to wait like another 2 weeks. So you want to find like the template for this literal exact watch as you want, by the way. You can build it yourself. It would probably end up cheaper than getting your own kits. So you can give that a try if you want. It's just in the description. I don't get any affiliate or anything. It's literally just a free template. Just check it out. Anyways, if you found this video helpful on maintaining your watch strap, then I don't know, you can subscribe if you like. Okay, bye bye.